Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig install, and today's video is sponsored by Asteria hair. I have done videos for them in the past. They definitely have good hair. They did send me a few free gifts, and this is the wig. Today's wig is a highlight wig, and I do believe this is a 24-inch. It is a skunk stripe highlight wig. I saw that the skunk stripe thing was trending, but I never got into it, so I'm kind of excited to try this. This is more like a blonde highlight, which I love. I wish it was more of like a platinum, but I do believe you could, bleach it some more. But that is the color that it's giving. It is a 13 by 4. I went in, I added my makeup on the inside, and as you can see, I already have a ball cap going on. Like, all the details for this wig will definitely be in the description box below. It is a body wave wig, and it is transparent lace. It does come pre-parted as a side part. So I'm going in, guys, with my Bold Hold Skin Protect, which I use before I do my hair. And then I'm going to be gluing this unit down. I'm using my Bold Hold. This is the Lemon Burst one, the one with Alonzo. That's my favorite one. So I'm just cutting off the extra lace and really just trimming the wig to fit my head. And this hair, guys, is 180% density, and this is a medium cap. I usually get a medium in all my wigs for everyone who's always asking my wig cap size. And I'm going in with my hot comb to just push the hair back, just so when I do my glue, everything is nice and tucked away, and yeah, it's pretty clean. And once I do my ball cap, I tend to use that line as my line to where my wig will stop. I apply glue along the ball cap, and then I just spread it out. I was in a rush when I was doing this, honestly, because I was supposed to pick my puppy up from the groomers. So usually I apply the glue and allow it to air dry clear, and then do another layer. It's my blow dryer, and I made it dry just a bit faster on cool. Definitely use it on cool. And after it was dry, I did go in and dry it again. I did go in and add a second layer, and then I just dried it again with the blow dryer. What I noticed, though, that because I used the blow dryer, the hair stuck. Like, when I actually put the lace into the glue, it stuck so good. So I feel like maybe the next time I will use my blow dryer a little bit, because I don't know, it made the glue extra strong. As soon as I put that lace on, I could feel that it was stuck, okay? So that's what I'm doing, and then our wig will be applied as soon as it's dried. I did put my foundation on the inside of the wig. If you wanted to, I don't know, maybe you could use a lace tint. I didn't have a lace tint, so I just used my foundation. I always just use what I have, and I make it work. After this is dry, we're going to just lay the hair into the glue, and because I had it lined up already, it just laid perfectly. And then I did go in with the blow dryer again on cool, because I didn't feel like it was fully dried. To leave to go get my puppy, but you won't even realize that I actually had to leave. But I did go in and cut off the excess lace, and then what I did, I used a elastic band and I tied the lace down, and I went, got my puppy, and then I came back. So by the time I came back, my hair was really melted. I'm just making sure that I do all the excess trimming so the hair is just laying really nicely without all the extra lace. And I did part out like a little edge just to do like some baby hairs. It wasn't anything crazy. It was just like two swoops and like, you know, a little sideburn action, like a little side swoosh. You don't have to do baby hairs, but as you can see, it was melted in my skin. I didn't really have to do baby hairs. I just felt like it would just be cuter. As of late, I've been liking two little baby hairs when I do my wigs. And I'm using like an eyebrow razor to cut the extra hair off. And I did go in with my curling, is it a curling? No, I went in with my tiny flat irons and I curled the edges. And then to set the edges, I've been using gel lately. I use the wetline gel and I feel like it makes the little swoops like even cuter. So that's what I've been doing. And I did my edges and then they kind of disappeared because it is a very light color edge right there. And that's what the edges were looking like. And then I went in with my hot comb. And what I do to get my wigs extremely flat, I part the entire like lace portion out. I part it bit by bit, use some wax stick, and then I just go in and I run the hot comb through every single section so it's extremely flat. Then after hot combing it, everything is just really nice and flat, and that is what you get when you put when you go between your hair section by section. It's very essential in having like a really flat install. And then I'm going in with my curling wand, and I did put a little bit of curls in the hair. I couldn't find my scissors when I was done. I wanted to cut layers. I ended up using the eyebrow razor. That didn't really work out pretty well, but I just made something work. I went in and I did the wand curls all over the hair just so the curls could kind of like be uniform versus how it came. And then guys, I'm finally at the top. Like curling hair gets me so annoyed. I hate having to sit and curl my hair, but I had to do what I had to do. And this was, after this, I realized I really couldn't find my scissors. So I used the eyebrow razor. And the hair, guys, it did shed, not a lot, but I feel like because it has that bleached portion in the front, it did have a few shedding going on. But it wasn't anything like crazy. The hair is pretty soft. It wasn't like tangly or anything. It's just like it had a little bit of shedding, and that is due to the blonde section in the front. I promise you, when I'm doing my videos, I'm not upset. It's just me being focused. Like, I really don't realize that sometimes I look like I'm really mad while I'm doing my hair, but I'm not. I'm just like focused on doing the hair. That's what it is. And this is what the hair is looking like. It looks really good, but then I kind of pin curled it, but I didn't do a good job. So yeah, some of my curls were not going in the right direction after I took this down. But this is the finished look. The hair turned out really cute. My only thing is I would have really liked the blonde portion to not be like a yellowy blonde and more of like a toned blonde, if that makes sense. Maybe I could have used like purple shampoo. Let me know your thoughts down below, guys. This is the finished look. It looks really cute. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you like this hair, check out the description box. All the details will be down below. Shout outs to Asteria Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.